Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the best Pure Tart Cherry Juice available on the market, Pure Tart Cherry Juice. First off, let's talk about why Tart Cherry Juice is gaining so much attention lately. It's not just a trendy health drink. It's packed with antioxidants and nutrients that offer a range of health benefits. From supporting joint health to aiding sleep quality, tart cherries are nature's little superfood. Now, what makes Pure Tart Cherry Juice stand out? It's all about purity and quality. This juice is made from 100% organic tart cherries, sourced from sustainable farms committed to environmentally friendly practices. No GMOs, no artificial additives, just pure, concentrated goodness. Here's why you might want to consider adding this to your daily routine. Each bottle is packed with antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and support overall wellness. Many studies suggest tart cherry juice can aid in muscle recovery post-exercise and even improve sleep quality due to its natural melatonin content. Now, let's talk taste. Some cherry juices can be overly sweet or tart, but Pure Planet strikes a perfect balance. It's rich and flavorful without being overwhelming. Whether you enjoy it straight from the bottle, mixed into smoothies, or even as a cocktail mixer, it's versatile and delicious. For those wondering how to incorporate it into your day, a small glass in the morning or before bed can do wonders. You can also get creative. Try freezing it into ice cubes for a refreshing twist on your favorite beverages. Wrapping up, Pure Tart Cherry Juice truly lives up to its reputation as one of the best in its category. From its organic sourcing to its health benefits and delightful taste, it's a standout choice. For anyone looking to boost their antioxidant intake naturally. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried Pure Tart Cherry Juice, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that matter. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.